A goblet squat is a squatting movement used with a dumbbell in the goblet position in front of you. You can use this using a weights bench behind you or a box, which makes the movement more easy by creating reduction in the range of motion that you're using. You can do this without the box though, and this is the way that I would advise doing it. A few key points for this are that we want to try and get the body down to 90 degrees, so parallel to the ground, which creates a good depth of movement and better for the quads and for the glutes. We also want to try and maintain the chest upright position, so keeping that chest proud and thinking about looking up towards the corner of the room is a good cue for this one. Also, the goblet hold of the dumbbell means that you've got that position where your elbows are in front of you and should create a position where you can counterbalance yourself. Also, as I've said before, you can use a bench or a box to make things easier if the normal goblet feels difficult. The other thing to think about is pushing the knees outwards as you do this movement. For more exercises on ACL rehab or knee pain, check out the videos on the channel.